Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall study about nutrition in animals. In the last videos we study about human digestive system. In this lecture we study about digestive system in ruminants. Digestive system in ruminants. The digestive system in ruminants, that is ruminant. What is ruminants? Ruminants is the name given to the grazing animals that chew the any foods. That is example, for example, cows, buffaloes, sheep, okay, etc. These are ruminant animals. Camels, deer, goats, it's any other animals you can show. Most of the ruminants have four chambered. Most of the ruminants it have a four chambered stomach. It have a four chambered stomach. Who has a four chambered stomach? Ruminants animals have a four chambered stomach. In four chambered, they have stomach have four separate compartments. That is rumen reticulum, ovomasum, small intestine, and esophagus. Four chambered cavity that is rumen reticulum. Rumen. Second is reticulum. Third is ovomasum. And last one is omasum. That is omasum and abomasum. Abomasum. They have four chambered stomach. The first chamber is rumen, second is reticulum, and third is omasum, and last one is abomasum. There are four chambered stomach in ruminants which is found. Stomach is called a compound of stomach. The stomach, whole stomach is called a compound of stomach. Stomach is known as compound stomach. Compound stomach. In ruminants there are four types of chamber, that is rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. The stomach is known as compound stomach because the ruminants have a huge chamber like four chambered. Here is rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum type of chamber. So I study about one by one. First is rumen. Rumen is the first cavity called rumen. The food enters the first cavity. The food animals like goats, sheep, ruminant animals, food enters its first cavity, that is called a ruminant. The first cavity is called rumen. The first cavity of stomach is called rumen, which is the largest compartment. Rumen is the largest compartment. You saw the figure. It is a largest compartment. Which is largest compartment? Rumen is the largest compartment of the stomach in ruminants. Now second is reticulum. Reticulum. The food enters in rumen, which is going to reticulum. The food enters to the next, enters the second cavity is called reticulum. Food enters the second cavity called reticulum. Reticulum. The food enters the second cavity is called a reticulum. Two compartments, food is softened and formed. In these two compartments, that is rumen and reticulum. In these two compartments, first rumen and reticulum, food softened and formed into soft masses called curds. The food enter in rumen and then reticulum. In these two compartments, food softened and soft masses called curds. These curds are going to another compartment in ruminant mouths. Then they chew the foods, and the foods are called chewing of the curd. Now third compartment is omasum. Omasum. Curd passes through the rumen and reticulum. Curd passes through the rumen and reticulum. Food passes through the rumen and reticulum to the third cavity called omasum. To the third cavity called omasum. Omasum is a third part of ruminant digestive system. Now last part is omasum. The food enters to the abomasum. Next part, abomasum. Food enters from third part, from omasum to next fourth chamber is called omasum to fourth part called abomasum. The food enters omasum to last part of digestive system of ruminants is called abomasum, which is the smallest chamber. Abomasum is a smallest chamber. It is a smallest chamber. Which is the largest chamber? The largest compartment is rumen. The largest chamber is rumen, and smallest compartment is abomasum in the digestive system of ruminants. So the abomasum food absorbed, and then complete digestion of food absorbed in the blood, which is passed to all parts of body of ruminant. So this is about digestive system in ruminants. This chapter is completed, chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. So I hope you understand all these things. Thank you.